Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a trailer named Chatur Mukham.
Yes.
Official trailer.
Official trailer.
And we have Manju Warrier.
Yes, the famous Manju Warrior,
Yes.
who is there in the Priest movie also as well.
A lot
the
of
lady
the movie,
character.
right?
Lot of the movies. She's a very famous name
Yes.
and famous face actually.
Yes.
So let's get started. I think this is a techno horror movie. I am not sure what is this techno horror.
horror?
I know about comedy horror. I know about horror.
Maybe
टेक्नो हॉरर क्या होता है मुझे नहीं पता.
टेक्निकल भूत.
कुछ अब तुम कुछ भी बोल रहे हो. ठीक है, चलो शुरू करते हैं, नहीं तो ये बोलता जाएगा ऐसे. तो शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो चतुर मुखम का ऑफिशियल ट्रेलर. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. और बिफोर दैट, इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल and also click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes.
ഒരു പെണ്ണിന് ഏറ്റവും ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് എന്താണെന്നറിയാമോ? വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം, പിന്നെ ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റി. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കല്യാണത്തിനൊക്കെ സ്കോപ്പ് ഉള്ളൂ.
Very lively, young.
അമ്മേ, ഇതാ രാഘവൻ സാറിന്റെ മോളല്ലേ?
അസുഖക്കാരിയാ, ബാധ കൂടിയതാ.
അതെ, അത് ഈ കാലത്ത് എന്റെ അമ്മോ. I think it's somehow connected to me.
It is indeed strange. നമ്മുടെ അംബിഷൻസിനെതിരായി എന്തു വന്നാലും നമ്മൾ ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. കക്ഷിയും തന്നെ പോലെ തന്നെ ഫുൾ ലൈഫ് സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയയിലുണ്ട്.
I think she's trapped. നമുക്ക് ചുറ്റുമുള്ള ഇത്രയധികം സിഗ്നലുകൾ, റേഡിയേഷൻ, there is no escape from them. ഇനിയാണ് ക്ലൈമാക്സ്. A jewel in the crown.
April.
8th April. Wow.
Wow. This was I told it's a technical bhoot, right?
Technical bhoot matlab I
it
think
was something
nobody
like
is a horror, nobody is a bhoot actually. It is not a horror movie. I think she will be trapped and someone is
was
making something like someone is making the situation like that haunted situation he is creating, and she will be trapped in that scenario. I think some situations will be creating that हाँ वहाँ पे वो कुछ साया है, वहाँ पे भूत है, like we saw no कि कोई भूत जैसा माहौल create कर रहा है, imaginary kind of, and then she will be in trap
maybe, or somewhat we are thinking that it will be able to handle all those cameras, Facebook activities. Somewhat a hacker, what they
someone
can do,
is there
right?
in a room, someone is like handling each and every single thing, like
So
you can say her life.
They are original ghost those those were handling these all things or not, we don't know, right?
What I am understanding, no Abhay, techno horror means we have to think in a way that technical perspective, like hacker, you can say, someone who is having knowledge of each and every single thing, like in is kona mein kya hai, us kona mein kya hai, and he can able to handle her life. He is having the eye on her continuously. ऐसा एक movie हम देखे थे, not सिमिलर, उसका नाम है शायद, वो जो मूवी था ना, नाम मैं भूल गई, जिसमें एक रूम था, उसमें एक लड़की ट्रैप्ड थी लेकिन उसको सब दिखता था बाहर से. It's like she is getting visible enough by someone. That is why I think this techno horror concept is coming up. Maybe not sure, I can be wrong, but that is why they have added this techno horror. I really love this fact. I think this is India's first ever techno horror movie, right? And we're so proud of that.
For the first time also we heard this term techno horror, right?
Because I told no that horror comedy we have seen, pure horror movie we have seen, then psycho horror thrill movie we have seen, but techno horror we have not seen.
Let's talk about now Manju Warrior.
Wow, she was looking very young. First of all, fantastic. Her hair, her get-up, and every single thing. She was looking like a lively girl who is having a very chillful life, and she's
doesn't believe in ghost and all like that, right?
Yes. So suddenly I think she has come across to some ritual going on in her
village, I think.
Village, middle of the village only, and then her mom told that there is a haunted girl, like not haunted, possessed girl is there, and she's getting possessed by something. So and I think that is the starting of the story.
Point where she started getting into trap with these scenarios.
And she was getting some allergy or something is happening.
Was there. Okay, allergy was there. Right? I thought that was tattoo.
But tattoo तो उसका हाथ में था, लेकिन उसका allergy हो रहा था.
I thought that a tattoo that got appeared in her hand.
Oh, वो भी हो सकता है, not sure. But मुझे लगा कि allergy.
Okay.
तो मतलब she is experiencing some of very awkward or some very unreal kind of incident in her life, and that is the beginning of the story. I think I don't know what is the meaning of Chaturmukham.
Chaturmukham means Chaturmukh, like some intelligent person, something like.
वो हो सकता है क्या?
Yes, I
नहीं,
think
हम जो भी guess करते हैं वो wrong होता है ना, इसीलिए.
Like because the term it can be with a Hindi term also, right? Chaturmukh, like that only.
Like that only.
And one thing I like that it's written by Abhay Kumar. Okay.
It's अबे ये टेक्नो हॉरर मूवी का रिएक्शन देने बैठे हैं, कोई मतलब लोग सोचेंगे कि ये लोग ये करने के लिए बैठे हैं, कॉमेडी.
ओके.
अबे एकदम क्या बोले, नॉट रिलेटेड टू, एकदम फन लविंग मूड में, और नॉट रिलेटेड टू राइटिंग स्टोरीज एंड एनीथिंग, लाइक एकदम दूर दूर से कोई रिश्ता नहीं है.
Just writing Java programming.
That is what actually. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I think this is going to be a very fun movie to watch. You can experience a different kind of
one more thing noticeable was that the background music,
BGM
was very powerful, and it was giving you sense of something haunting type, right?
You will get a kind of like different kind of vibe in you. Like at the very end when the names were like written, that time the music was very powerful,
right? And some electrical glimpse was there, right? It was creating the shapes and all, right? And with that some sound was coming, that whenever there will be some electrical fluctuations and all,
kind of, yes.
Right.
That is very much needed in a horror movie.
Because not horror movie, it is a techno horror. That's why it is much more needed.
Yes, very much. So yeah, that is it for today's video. This is a very new thing we have experienced, but yet I think the trailer is not that powerful.
Yes, and this is a kind of, I think, experimental movie, you can say.
Yes, experimental movie.
We don't know how it will be.
But maybe this movie will be a hit. Super hit movie.
It can be,
but the trailer, what my perspective is, it is not that powerful.
It can be a little bit more
progressed. It can be a little bit powerful.
Some concept we didn't get it.
We didn't get, and also the execution was not proper. That's what I feel actually.
Because I think it was a lot of the things were inside the dark, and also as horror movie needed.
Yes, right? Yes. But we have full faith on Manju Warrior's acting.
Yes.
She is a phenomenal.
Brilliant actor.
She is brilliant actor, and she is the everything of this movie.
I think she is the only lady, means she is taking whole lead of this movie.
Yes, right. Yes. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll give a good 9 out of 10 because I'm not that satisfied, but I have full faith on Manju Warrior. Okay, yes, acting and everything. So yeah, stay tuned for April 8. April month में सब कुछ धमाका एक by एक, मतलब one by one आने वाला है. तो stay tuned for that, and yes, just let us know how you feel about this movie. What is your opinion on this trailer? And yeah, let us know in the comment bar. And if you like our reaction, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.